Today we are going to deal on most important topic, so that is endocrine system. Okay, here before going to the endocrine system, we should know what is hormone. Hormone is nothing but a chemical messenger or it is a chemical substance essential for each and every cells in a body. Usually it is secreted by the group of cells or glands. Yeah, the gland is nothing but it is specialized the group of cells. It secretes a hormone. It is called as a gland. Now come to the endocrine system. Here, what is endocrine? In terms of hormones, the glands, there are two types of the glands. One is endocrine glands, other is exocrine glands. Yeah, the secrets, so that is different, so that is hormones. Here, about the endocrine, the word endocrine is derived from a Greek word. In the Greek, the endo is nothing but within or inside, and the crinin is nothing but a secretion. It means the secretion of chemical substances directly into the blood is called as an endocrine. Is called endocrine. Here, the endocrine system consists of different endocrine glands. So, hypothalamus, pituitary, the pineal gland, thyroid, parathyroid glands, thymus gland, and the adrenal glands, the pancreas, the ovaries in the females, and the testes in the males. Okay, so let us see one by one later. Now, about the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is not only part of the endocrine system, it is also the main part of the CNS, central nervous system. It regulates all, it controls all the endocrine gland. For that reason, it is considered as master gland. About the pituitary gland, the pituitary gland is called as an, so that is master gland, because it controls all endocrine glands. Here in the pituitary, again the pituitary has two lobes, one the anterior and the posterior pituitary gland. The anterior pituitary gland, it secretes growth hormone, ACTH, TSH, and FSH and LH hormone, and the prolactin hormone. According to the posterior pituitary gland, it secretes the oxytocin and ADH hormones. According to the thyroid gland is also very important to human beings. It also secretes the two different kinds of hormones, T3 and T4, thyroxine and the triiodothyroxine. According to the parathyroid hormone is also very important because it maintains a calcium level in the body. It secretes, so that is parathyroid hormone, PTH hormone. According to thymus gland, it is very important because for our country, so that is our National Academy for training for the soldiers is very important. It is like a the training center for the army. It is training center for the, so that is T lymphocytes. T lymphocytes considered as our body soldiers. It acts as the training center for the T lymphocytes. About the adrenal glands are also called as an emergency glands because it secretes different kinds of hormones during emergency situation. For that reason, it is called as, so that is emergency gland. In the, so that is adrenal glands, we are having the different two types, that is adrenal and the cortex and the medulla. Here the cortex secretes, so the cortisol and the aldosterone, and the medulla secretes so the emergency, so it is hormones like epinephrine, norepinephrine. Okay, so and the dopamine also. Here not only the pancreas, here the pancreas is a both, it is a mixed gland. It is a both acts as the endocrine as well as exocrine. And according to the ovaries are also endocrine glands. You can see in the females, it produces progesterone, estrogen. According to the testes are so the main endocrine glands, so it secretes testosterone. Okay, so this is regarding to the brief, the introduction about the endocrine system. Okay, thank you.